Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not done a sit down video in a long time. I am so excited to be back. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Give this video a thumbs up and please leave me any comments or question in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay guys, so I did went ahead and I put my wig cap on, and this is just a natural color. Alright, what I'm gonna go ahead now and do is I'm gonna take my foundation. I'm just gonna try to blend this in a little bit more so it can match my skin tone. And these you can get at any beauty store. I paid $1 and 2 came in the pack. This is what it looks like. Next, I'm gonna take some rubbing alcohol on a piece of cotton and just gonna wipe off any excess makeup from around my hairline. And that's that. So this is the wig. It's a lace frontal wig, and I've worn this wig once before. It's a bob. It's very soft. It has a center part. It has 1 comb in the middle, 2 on each side, and then I did went ahead and I add some elastic band for support. So yeah. All right, let's go ahead and center the wig. Okay, so I think that is centered now. Is it? Yep. Pull it back a little bit. And I'm using the bowl hole extreme hold glue. So that's dry. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna apply another thin layer. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna apply another thin layer. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna apply another thin layer. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna apply another thin layer. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna apply another thin layer. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna apply another thin layer. 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 I'm gonna apply another Just a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by putting down the middle first. Then we're gonna do the other side. Take my wrap strip and tie it down for about 20 minutes. So I let it sit for 20 minutes. Where are you doing?
Oh, hi, my mom's followers. Make sure you go follow me at IamJabari1.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna remove the wrap. Voila! Oh my god, look at that. Flawlessly installed. That's what I'm talking about. Bam! Bam! Alright, it's looking good. Now I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and I'm just gonna straighten it out. Perfect. I think I have a little ear. Okay, I'm gonna have to re-glue here. I have like a lifting right there. And this side is okay. Okay, this side is okay. So I'm not gonna go back in with my bold hole, but I'm gonna use my Gots to be glued. I'm just gonna apply a little bit to the end of my tail comb. And I'm just gonna hold that down for a couple of seconds and it should lay flat. Let me use my fan. And voila, there we have it. Okay. So now I'm just gonna section the hair. I'm gonna start curling from the back and then work my way all the way to the front. I'm just gonna pin this up. And I'm using my Remington flat iron. This I got at, when did I get this? I think it was Walmart. But this is a very good flat iron. I'm so in love with it. Guys, this is my second install with this wig, so it's my second time wearing it, and I really do not like adding moisture or any form of grease to my hair because I like it to remain just light and flowy. When you add moisture to the hair, it is so heavy and then it becomes very, you know, wiggy. And I don't like that. You see how this is very flowy? Because there's no oil. And that's just the way I like it. Should we go ahead and make some baby hairs? I might do that, but let's finish curling the hair first. And then we can think about the baby hairs. Well, you guys know I don't really like the baby hairs that much. I'm not a fan. I'm really not a fan. Take care of my flyaways. I just add a little bit of my Gots to Be Glued spray to the tail comb, and then I just run my flat iron over it, and that's it. Okay, the same thing I'm gonna do to get my baby hairs. Just gonna apply a little bit to my tail comb again. And there you have it, you guys. That is how I install my lace frontal wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.